said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more than when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven and more. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever, and then you left without even saying that you live there. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you won't stay, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid na malaman ko na kayo na pala na best friend ko. Nasasaktan ako, pinagdalat mo pa kung wala na tayo. Minsan lang uminig ako, mga pinapalit pa ako sa bukid ang hinapon, mamatay ka na. Niloko niyo ko, harap-harapan ko pa. And then you left without even saying